gummy.
What gummy?
Yung medicine.
Vitamins?
Opo.
Ah. You never forget that. Okay, nasaan baga? Get it. Where?
Ito po.
Ah, okay. Get one. Favorite ito ni Kuya. Masarap ba, Kuya, ang lasa niyan? It
Opo.
tastes like candy?
Yes.
Ah. Dahil big ka na, you can take two. Kuya. Show it to them, ha? What does it look like? Patingin daw, ano ba yan? Maling humingi si Mami. Let me see the gummy. Ah, this is the gummy. Vitamins, na favorite ni Kuya. Let me see. Show mo yung bottle sa kanila. Yan, may DHA and omega. So, ang ganda nito, vitamins for kids. Kuya. Chew it well, ha? Before you swallow.